everyone, we meet again after about 3 weeks of my recovery. Now I'm ready to learn again about Linux command with you. Today we are going to learn about how to create a directory. Before we start, we need to create a directory so we can do anything in that directory. We need to do this to make this learning safe. I will create a directory called Learn Linux. Open your terminal and go to your new directory. After we are in our new directory, we can continue to learn. First of all, we need to see the options. We need to see what options that we can use for the mkdir command. Type mkdir help. Wait a moment, I need to make this font smaller. Okay, in this page you can see this is the options that we can use, and for this tutorial I will show you just the P option and P option. For example, I want to create a directory called car. So I will type mkdir spacebar car, and mkdir we can use it too for creating more than one directory. For example, mkdir motorbike spacebar, and the other one is bicycle. Okay, everyone, you can see here that we already create two directories. So how if we want to create a directory inside a directory? If the directory already here, we can just type with mkdir, for example, car. Inside the car, there's sports car. Okay everyone, and how if we want to create a directory inside a directory that is not created yet? For example, in motorbike, I will create inside motorbike, I will create sports bike, and inside the sport bike, I will create, for example, Honda. We know that sport bike directory is not created yet. You can see here that the Linux produce an error, no such file or directory. So in this case we can use the -p option. The -p option will make parent directories as needed. For example, I want to create, we can see here that there is no aeroplane in this directory. So for example, I will create plane, and inside the plane I will create a jet plane, and then inside the jet plane I will create commercial. I hope I didn't do anything wrong for the spell. Okay, if we execute this command, the Linux will produce an error. So how if we use the -p option, that the Linux will make parent directories as needed? Okay, it works. Let's see. Plane. Okay, it works everyone. And then how about the -v option? The -v option will print a message for each created directory. For example, I want to create a new directory called traditional transport. In this directory there's, for example, becak. This is a traditional transport in my city. Let's see. Okay everyone, so the -v produce this message for each directory that is created by this command. And then how if we want to create a complex directory tree with one command? We still can use the mkdir -p. For example, I will create a new directory mkdir my p and computer, for example, and then inside the computer there's desktop and laptop, and then inside the laptop there are directories, for example tin, and then tick, and then I don't know, maybe ultra, and then in the desktop there are gaming and office. Okay, let's execute this command. Okay everyone, this is the result of this command. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Goodbye everyone.